In Assen, main characteristic is it's a track with quite good grip, also in the wet condition. It's one big point in Assen always, and yeah, the weather is a big point there on this racetrack always. Change very fast. You can have 2 or 3 conditions in a race distance there. And yeah, I mean, the last years we've been lucky, but we had already years there was a big point was the weather condition. Now they changed this layout of this racetrack, but the backside, I mean the last part of the track is still it's the old style, it's very fast and on high speed change directions, especially the last 2 corners before the chicane. So yeah, this is quite tricky because now the new part is very technical, it's very tight and tricky, so it's a big mix there. Of course, here he is struggling, but of course we try maximum with the bike that we can help him. But the rest, I mean, he have to manage, and it is the rule. The bikes have the weight, and the rider have the size and the weight, and we can actually change nothing on that.